Welcome to another episode of When Nature Calls. I'm your host, Michelle Sherrill. In our previous episodes, we discussed the pollution of our land and air. Today, we're going to discuss water pollution. Water pollution is known as the introduction of chemical, biological, and physical matter into large bodies of water that degrade the quality of life that lives in it and consumes it. Comprising over 70% of the Earth's surface, water is undoubtedly the most precious natural resource that exists on our planet. Without this seemingly invaluable compound comprised of hydrogen and oxygen, life on Earth would be non-existent. It is essential for everything on our planet to grow and prosper. Although we as humans recognize this fact, we disregard it by polluting our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Subsequently, we are slowly but surely harming our planet to the point where organisms are dying at a very alarming rate. In addition to innocent organisms dying off, our drinking water has become greatly affected, as is our ability to use water for recreational purposes. Many causes of pollution, including sewage and fertilizers, contain nutrients such as nitrates and phosphates. Now let's hear what Paula Carlson of the Dallas World Aquarium has to say on the matter.
Well, there's a lot of different types of pollution that affect our waterways, both fresh and salt water. So our local rivers and lakes and things are subject to pollution from runoff, from everything from agricultural runoff like pesticides and things like that, to even things that you dump in your lawn or in your local streets. If you do an oil change on your car and pour that in the street or into your yard, that eventually will make it into our sewer systems and often into our water supply. So that can have a great impact on our local waters in terms of creating algae blooms or even just outright killing fish and things like that. And then it can travel all the way from, say, here in Dallas, from the Trinity River all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. Right near Galveston is where the Trinity River empties into the Gulf. And so things that we do here even have an impact much farther south and actually globally.
The best way to prevent water pollution is to not throw trash and other harmful chemicals into our water supplies. Clean up oil and other liquid spills with kitty litter and sweep them away. Don't wash paintbrushes in the sink. Avoid using pesticides and fertilizers that can run off into water systems, and use non-toxic cleaning materials. In order to combat water pollution, we must understand the problems and become part of the solution. If we can take what we've learned and follow through with our intentions of a cleaner earth through these solutions, we could see an enormous impact on the conditions of our world.